Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a haul for you. We went to Target this morning and I ran into my sister there and she helped me make very poor decisions. No, I'm just kidding. I did, however, run into my sister there and we got lost in the makeup section. And I went there for these because I love them. There's the Burt's Bees facial cleansing towelettes for sensitive skin. They're my favorite makeup wipe remover facial cleansing towelettes ever. They never break me out. They never irritate my skin. They always take off all of the makeup. Even liquid lip. Like, this is Kat Von D, a liquid lip, and this takes it off. They were only $2.99. That's awesome. That's better than I got a 2-pack for e.l.f. for $6, which is cool. I mean, but that's $3 each. And I think this has more makeup wipes in it. This has 30 makeup wipes in the pack for $2.99, and it's Burt's Bees. And this has 20. Burt's Bees is cheaper, man. Maybe I should return them and get more Burt's Bees. This is always sold out everywhere, so they restocked today, and when I saw it in stock, I had to get it because I've been dying to try it, and I actually tried it on my face today. Probably should tell you what it is. It's the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. It's supposed to be like the Tatcha one. I use this one a lot from Tarte. This Timeless Smoothing Primer from Tarte. This is better than the Tarte one. The Tarte one clogs my pores, and if I use it too many days in a row, I will eventually break out. However, it doesn't break me out immediately. But do we still want to be clogging our pores? I don't know. I don't know if this clogs my pores because I got it today and used it for the first time today. But I don't know if you can, oh, look at that highlight. I don't know if you can see, but maybe it's better that you can't because that means it's like doing its job, right? But like, look at that. So smooth. So I got this today, and like I said, I used it for the first time. I just dug my nail into the back of it and I got a little bit. But it's like so smooth. I probably can't see it on the back of my hand. Not that it would matter on the back of my hand, right? Because I'm not priming my hand. I really like it. I'm going to see if it breaks me out and if it clogs my pores. I'll keep you posted. Then, I picked this up for my son because he has a new little haircut. It's the Dove Men's Care Manipulating Putty for textured look, strong hold, and natural finish. He's like been doing his hair off to the side lately because I cut it for him and he thinks he looks like a little man and it's adorable. So then I broke down and I got these. I've been wanting to try them forever. Like longer than I've actually been wearing makeup. These brushes just look intriguing to me because of the shape of them. So I used them when I got home to do this makeup. And this one's not bad. It's the giant one. I used it for my foundation. It's called Ultimate Buff. It's heavy. I like the way it feels on my hand. In my hand, I should say. However, it's almost too compactly packed. Like, they're tightly packed in there. And it's almost too much. Because it doesn't, like, circles don't really work. You kind of have to just bounce. And it's, can you hear that? It's hard. Like, that's on my table. It's loud. The other one, yeah, so wait. The big one is I don't know if it's my favorite. I don't know if I would use it again. I mean, obviously I'm going to use it again. I bought it. But maybe I'll return it. Pumpkin, move your tail. Maybe I'll return it because the other two brushes it came with kind of suck too. This one is the Ultimate Pop, and they say that you can use it for liquid or cream blush, which I did today. I used L'Oreal Infallible in Sexy Flush, number 45. It's a really beautiful shade. You can see it slightly on my cheeks right there. And then I just set it with the Milani Romantic Rose blush that I love so much. So I like this one for the blush. This is the only brush I've ever found that I like for cream blushes. Is the entire package worth it for this one brush, though? I paid $16.99 for all three. Do I save it just for this one brush? I don't know. The other one it came with is this tiny one. I don't know what the heck they were thinking when they made this. Like, first of all, super compactly packed in there with all those bristles. It's called Ultimate Cover. It's supposed to be a concealer. This doesn't do anything. It's so small that you can't even, like, it was taking forever to blend out my concealer. I went in with this one, and it was 2 things done. This gone. Throw it away. Don't even buy it for that brush. I like it. So, do I keep them for this one? Yeah. Scarlett says yes. I do like the way the blush came out, so I think I might keep it for this one.
I'm keeping this.
Scarlett's gonna take the little blush, the little concealer brush off my hands. It'll be her first brush. Yeah, so that was just a little impromptu haul by accident. Didn't mean to. That's what happens when you go to Target for one thing and you see your sister there. Whoops. Oh wait, there's one other thing that I got. Where I used it. It's eyeliner. Here it is. It is number 7 Stay Perfect Amazing Eyeliner in black. Waterproof, hypoallergenic, and this is an online item only, and they accidentally had 2 of them in store. So they marked them down because it's not something that they normally carry in Target. So instead of $9, I got it for $6, which is awesome. All right, so that's my mini haul. All of the products that I used or bought will be listed in the description box below. If you like what you see and you want to see more, I hope you like this video, give it a nice thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. And catch you next time.